Hey guys, let's check out some stuff at Dollarama. First is this Lazy Susan. I use one in my refrigerator. They have a lot of stuff from the Betty Crocker line, and it's really good quality. I have their measuring spoons and I love they're all red. Then they have a lot of options for liners and adhesives. I used one in my kitchen and I have a couple in the refrigerator, different textures and sizes so you can use them anywhere. This is how my kitchen shelf used to look like, and this is how it looks right now. It just completely transformed. And look at this cabinet shelf that they have. It increases your vertical space. I use one because you can put things underneath and on top as well. And I have, I think, two or three sets of these microfiber cloths because for $3 you get like five of them, and you can never have enough, I guess. And I don't have this one right now because I have one from IKEA, but this one was like not a bad quality. So in this storage organizer that they had, it was really good. It has handles, so easy to carry anywhere. Then they had this what is it, corner shelf thing. I didn't really need one, but if you do need, just check it out. Then for these storage containers, glass, plastic, whichever ones you need, they have a lot of them. They also had spice jar drawer organizers. I don't really need one right now, but it's a good option to check. Then they had this soap pump, and then for your sponge as well. I'm using this one right now. You put soap at the bottom and you just pump it and use your soap. Then they have these canning jars. This one is 250 milliliters and the top ones are 500 milliliters. I ended up getting the smaller ones and they come in three, so I got two of them. For these bamboo lid ones, they are really good quality as well, and they have different sizes too. I use mine for spices, but you can use them for like anything, and they have a lot of options to choose from. They have the ones that you can mark, and it does come with a marker, which is awesome. And yeah, they have a lot of different ones that whatever you need for, they got everything. Then they have these ones. I don't really know what exactly they're called. They're basically just glass jars, and I have mine that I use for like sugar and coffee and stuff, and the labels were also from Dollarama. Then I use these ones for some condiments. This plate I just fell in love with. I thought I should get one, and look at this one too. But they have a lot of options. Like, they're intimidating, okay? But I've told myself that I have a lot of plates. I don't need any more plates, but they're all so pretty. I just couldn't stop looking at them. They had these beautiful glasses, the ones with the gold at the top. Oh my god. But they have a lot of like options for these, and some of my glasses that I have are from Dollarama. And anytime I go to Dollarama, I see like a different style that they got, a new line or whatever they have, and I'm like, okay, I need one. So I usually end up getting one, but this time I was like, okay, I don't really need one. But look at the options that they have. Like, you can't go wrong with glasses at Dollarama. They have everything. Then for these bins, I have the recycle one. I have this little bucket at home as well. And there's a lot of options to choose from. I have this, I was going to get this compost one, but I ended up getting a smaller one. Then they have these trays, like the dish tray. And look at this selection. Like, oh my god, I was just going crazy looking at this stuff because they have a lot of options, okay? Then they have these like storage containers. They come in different sizes. I have these ones that I use in my bathroom, and they have this type as well. These containers that they have are like really good quality. I actually did like a knock on it to see what quality they have, but these are really good. Then I have these ones in smaller sizes, the black lid, and then I have the red lids. I have almost all of these, like one out of each I have. I really like this gold plate. I thought it looked so pretty, and this one, oh my god, like I just take it. They have some bowls as well. I don't really use that many, but if you're a bowl person, maybe check it out. And then for your makeup, bathroom, and all of those storage, they have a few options. This is how I use mine, and this stand that I got, this was also from Dollarama. Then they have this shoe rack that I have tried out, and it's pretty quality actually. Look at these slippers, okay? I really liked one of these, but they didn't have my size. Then the options that they have for hand towels or whatever microfiber cloths, there's a lot of options, okay, for dishcloths and stuff. Like you can choose from all of these. There's so many colors for you, and I think you get different ones for different seasons as well. Sometimes they have like Christmas and Thanksgiving, and they have these mitts as well and placemats. I have this one at home and black one I'm using right now, and I have these ones. I love these, and I also have these dishcloths. Then they have these containers. These are the storage organizers. They have the makeup mirrors with the LEDs on, which is awesome, right? And a lot of like hairbrushes and stuff. Then the bigger hairbrush that's on the left, I have that one. If you're a makeup artist or someone who really needs to use those, look at the mascaras. Look at the ones that they have. They have Wet n Wild, and they have Rimmel, they have Aveeno. I've tried their foot mask, and this one is my favorite. Simple cleansing solution, and oh my god, look at that. I think I have about one from like each selection of these. Then they have a lot of hangers, and that's all, guys. Bye.